Hey guys, welcome. I wanted to show you a trade that I took today, this morning on S&P 500. Okay, based on the silver bullet setup. Okay, which is pretty simple, honestly. You just gotta focus all your attention into this 1 hour window, which is from 10 to 11 a.m. New York time, and basically that's it. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I did took 5 handles, okay, and I did close at this point because if you go to the 5 minute chart, we do have another fair value gap, and as you can see, we were having, I mean, still having some rejections, it's still having some issues, right, for price to close above. So that's why I decided to close. So it's more than enough. I mean, even if you just take a one-to-one trade every day, like you're gonna be way above, okay, guys. So if you want, let me go and explain to you why did I took this trade and all of the thoughts behind. Okay, guys, so what I do every day when we have a new week starting, I mark the new opening gap, the new weekly opening gap. Okay, guys, so from Friday, you want to see where did price close and where did price open on the Monday. Okay, and this provider, I mean, it's not perfect, but it would be something like this. So you want to extend, okay, your zone. And second, you want to make sure that you have New York Times set up on your trading view or whatever platform you're using. Okay. So you go to the 1 minute chart and you want to trade from 10 to 11. Okay, guys. So let me put some lines. Okay. So here we are. We had some news. That's why we had some like gaps going on. Second thing you want to do is identify your highs and lows. Okay, so right here we have this high. Those are going to be your liquidity zone. Okay, guys, so the best ones are highs and lows of the days. And also you want to check previous highs, previous days, highs and lows. Okay, and in this case, we did have these lows, which was sell side liquidity. And you also want to mark this. And as you can see, it's also matching with the new weekly opening gap. Okay, so as you can see, it was rejecting beautifully. I'm gonna zoom in. As you can see, guys, right here, we did have a fair value gap and it was rejected. Let me see how many handles did it provide it. You could have had at least, yeah, like around six handles, like easy, right? Like taking profit, like right after, right before price was going into the weekly opening gap. But the only thing that I did not consider taking this was because we didn't have a breakout structure. I mean, we did took the high of the session, like from previously, this was from New York, okay? But we didn't have any market structure shift. As you can see, they were all like bullish candles. So I didn't consider this and I did waited for price to reach the weekly opening gap and see what was going to happen, okay? And as you can see, it was just stuck in this range. There was like nothing going on. And as soon as I saw this displacement candle, you can mark up your fair value gap, okay? Right there, right there. So my entry was, as soon as I saw this gap, okay, and price was going into it, I started to take buy positions and the low was kept right below this displacement candle, which was creating the fair value gap. You can keep it right below that. And my take profit was into this area, which was the high. Okay. Now, as you can see, that's a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. And I'm going to tell you why did I close the trade. And as you can see, it did work pretty well, like pretty safely. Um, so if you go to the 5 minute, guys, okay, here we have another fair value gap, another imbalance. Okay. So if you put a line right here, as you can see, price was having some trouble, right, to close above, and the time to stop trading for me, which is London close, which is 11 a.m. Eastern time. I just saw price getting stuck. Okay, it was like going nowhere. As you can see, we did had some other fair value gaps on the way, but I just didn't trust it anymore, and I just decided to take profit. As you can see, right there. Okay, we go to the 5-minute chart. We have this line, and I just closed right there. It was a pretty good trade, nothing crazy. So let me see. It was a pretty good risk reward ratio still, right? So this happens every day, guys, and I have private group. If you wanna like have some sort of support and other traders trading this type of style, you're more than welcome. Okay. So that's it for today. I'm gonna be doing a series of videos based on this strategy. Okay, I've been taking pretty accurate trades based on this methodology, which is basically mainly how I trade. I do have other strategies, but this is pretty minimalistic, pretty stress-free. Okay, guys. So see you, and make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, okay. So take care, guys. See you.